Go ahead, cousin.
A nombre de mis compañeros que están aquí, yo sé que ellos piensan igual que yo. La lluvia que nos acompañó durante el trayecto, que hablamos que trae cambios y bendiciones, sé que lo van a hacer realmente. Para nosotros es un honor haber sido los primeros extranjeros, entre comillas, en haber compartido con ustedes esta experiencia. Y quiero agradecer a nombre de mis compañeros, por supuesto yo también, que ustedes se hayan tomado todo este tiempo para compartir toda esa sabiduría, toda esa experiencia y ese poder y esa identidad que tienen, porque nosotros vamos a transmitírselo a nuestras comunidades para que se sientan orgullosas de ellos mismos y sobre todo de ustedes que han logrado mantener pura su cultura, su tradición, y espero que lo sigan haciendo. Los felicito y a nombre de todos les agradezco muchísimo por todo lo que hicieron por nosotros hoy.
Vaya con Dios. Gracias.
Mucho señora la reina, dale la vida a un güey, a un güey, a un güey, mi mamá, dale la vida a un güey. Allá arriba mi señora mamá, dale la vida a un güey.
Gracias. Gracias. So now, before you go, just tell me each, what country are you from?
¿De qué país? I'm from Costa Rica, Port Limon, on the Caribbean side.
And what's your name?
Melinda Mackenzie.
And you do what?
I'm a librarian.
Outstanding.
Outstanding librarian.
Yes.
A beautiful woman. You say,
you see that,
I'm
right?
the cousin of the queen.
Yes, she is.
Yes.
Y'all know she looked just like the Holmes family on Citadel of the Island. We're keeping her.
Okay.
And your name?
My name is John Angola Maconde, and I am from Bolivia. I am very happy to be here.
Yes.
I'm very happy to be with you.
Thank you. And what do you do?
Well, I like to write.
You're a writer.
Afro-Bolivian history.
Oh, excellent.
Like yes.
Excellent. So we have to get some of your writings so we can teach people here about Bolivia.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Of course.
And?
I am Renato, came from Brazil, and I am a researcher in the African Brazilian Museum in São Paulo.
Outstanding. Well, we have to come to Brazil.
Yeah.
We want to come there for fiesta.
All right.
I am Claudia Monsalmaya, de Chile.
Chile. I was wondering who was from Chile. You're so quiet.
So, están quietos.
Muy tranquila. Dile que eres bailarina.
Soy bailarina.
Ah, you're bailarina.
Danza africana.
African dance. Me too.
Sí.
Sí. All right.
Gracias.
My name is Marfa Inofuentes. I'm from Bolivia.
Oh, also Bolivia. So the whole country of Bolivia came to see the Queen. So what do you do in Bolivia?
Soy activista de derechos humanos en el pueblo.
Sí.
Hace poco hemos sido reconocidos en la Constitución de nuestro país como pueblo.
As a small nation within your nation of Bolivia. Outstanding. And so what is the name of your nation?
¿Cómo se llama entonces?
El pueblo es afro-boliviano.
Afro-Boliviano. Okay. Ah, my sister, we got you already, right?
Yeah. Salvador es Zambulá y soy de Honduras. Pertenezco al pueblo garífuna. Orgullosamente garífuna.
Very proud of garífuna.
Yes.
Y soy educadora en Honduras. Atiendo un programa que se llama Educación Intercultural Bilingüe. El bilingüe para rescatar la lengua garífuna en los centros educativos. Con los niños, con las niñas, con las maestras, los maestros y la participación activa de las madres y los padres para que se preserve nuestra lengua y nuestra identidad cultural.
Very good. Yes, outstanding.
Hi, my name is Carol Edwards. I'm from Antigua, St. John's, Antigua. I am from the Caribbean islands, and I'm a music educator and director.
And look just like a Gullah Geechee child, right? Yes.
Well, I'm Nengumbi Celestine Sukama from Argentina, but was born in the Democratic Republic of Congo, currently holding the Argentine citizenship, and I'm the president of the Argentine Institute for Equality, Diversity, and Integration as a way to fight racism and racial discrimination in Argentina. So it's very good experience to be here to see your work, and from that get some inspiration to stand for black civil rights in Argentina.
Absolutely, and human rights around the world. Yes, yes. And here we go, Derek. How are you?
My name is Derek Walcott from Barbados, and I'm a music producer.
Outstanding. Now, y'all see how cute and British he's acting, right? But we know how our cousins in Barbados, okay? We know that these are our cousins for sure in Barbados. We have plenty of the family from Barbados come here to the Gullah Geechee Nation, so we're so glad that you're here, along with everyone else that's here. Our interpreters are hiding in the corner, but y'all see them, right? You see them. And so, definitely, this has been outstanding. It has been a wonderful day. A wonderful day. Yes.
Ha sido un día destacado, etcétera, con muchos momentos de emoción, etcétera.